right, today you are going to learn how to double a number. And these that I have on the screen here are coupons, okay? And people use coupons to save money on products that they use. Does the amount on the coupon mean that's how much you pay for that item? No. That is about money that you will save on the cost of that item, or that will be subtracted from the price. Okay, so we're going to pretend that I have coupons for these three amounts above: 25 cents, 40 cents, and 15 cents. Some stores advertise that they will double the value of a coupon. What does it mean to double the value? Think about it. It means it's worth twice as much as what it says on the face of the coupon. So if I'm doubling a coupon that is worth 25 cents, how much is it worth in a store that will double its value? Think about it. Get ready. Yes, 50 cents. So let's double the value of my other coupons. So this one would become worth 50 cents. And if we doubled the value of the 40-cent coupon, how much would that be? Think about it. 80 cents. And if we doubled the 15-cent coupon, how much would that be? Think about it. Yes, it would be 30 cents. So doubling is like adding the number to itself or multiplying by 2. So here are the original values on the left and the double valued on the right. So how would we figure out how much money I would save at a store that will not double the value of my coupons? Think about it. Yes, we will add all these values up together to get the total amount. So if we added up the original value of the coupons, we would get 80 cents. And if we look over here to the doubled value and we add all those together, 16, we would get $1.60. What do you notice about the value here and the value here? The value is doubled. So if we took 80 cents plus 80 cents, we get $1.60.